It's a funny story, obviously me saying that nothing works in it. So don't get me wrong, some stuff still doesn't work in it, but it's really hard to get any kind of power out of a 2-pin plug. It should be a 3-pin plug. So I've changed that over to another one which I had, which is for my caravan. And funny enough, everything now works inside. It works.
Yes.
So here we go. Let's have another try. Let's put the lid back on. Had a little look around, see what we could see. Right, so we'll put the lid back on. Come closer. So 2 things. So we're running off the normal, the vans now. Right, so if I turn off the battery, does that mean that the blinds work? Okay, no, it doesn't mean the blinds work. The blinds work off of the key. So that's not necessarily true. But I did find a few things. I found the bottle. Found the bottle for the gas is behind here with the whale. So I found the whale as well. The gas actually does work, which is amazing. So we've got power now there, which means now you're fully inside now. So now we've got 2 little pissy lights at the back here, which run off the power. I'm hoping that also means that these plugs actually work. We've got the lights down here, which works. So caravan battery, which we don't even have a battery, because it got taken out to do with the problem. Car battery goes over to that. Mains is on. All I can see is this is power. So we have power. So what we'll do is we will see if I turn on the whale. Doesn't make any noise. Sometimes you have to have the whale connected. So I will go and connect the whale and then see if it makes any noise. Yes, there might not be any water in the whale, but oh yes, it's working. I don't know where the wastewater goes though. Do you reckon it just goes on the floor? I don't really know. Must just drain out to the floor, and then we put a wet thing under there. So it's awesome. We've gone from nothing works in the van to now we've actually got mains power, so all the main stuff works. The fridge is a crappy fridge, isn't it? Oh, I think it's chilling. I have to put some ice packs in it probably first. So yeah, so that's great news. I fixed the blind as well, and the switch had come out the back, so that's fixed. The roof still doesn't work, but we do have some lights in the back. I swear I saw some other lights. Where's the other light? Oh, here's a light here. Oh, that one doesn't work. Why not? Any other lights? No other lights. Let's give it a wiggle. They're a bit crap anyway, so I mean, I'll probably upgrade them to a bit better lights as well. So yes, so we have progress. This is the back half of the video. So things do finally work on the Bongo. Awesome. Catch you on the next one, guys.